In today's video, I'll show you how to get $500 in PayPal money by simply clicking one button. All you have to do is watch the full video and follow the steps to earn this 100% passive income over and over. The best thing is that this method is completely free and available from anywhere in the world. However, if you do not follow all of the steps, you may not make any money at all as a consequence. So please pay close attention to the video's ending. You can earn anywhere from $100 to $500 by following these procedures. Continue watching until the end because I'll reveal a bonus website that will pay you for the most money. Stay tuned and watch the video till it finishes. If you're interested in learning how to make money online in 2021, I'll teach you how to access the greatest and most effective platforms to generate cash quickly. Before we get into this brand new content, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel, where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. The first website we'll be using is this one right here on your screen. When we get to this website, scroll down to the bottom and look for this section that says Transcribers. Now click on it because we're going to be transcribing on this website. We'll be directed to this page where we can earn anywhere from $5 to $20 for every audio file we transcribe. What this means is that for each audio file we transcribe, we'll be paid somewhere between $5 and $25. Now, if you use this secret tool that I'm about to show you at the end of this video, you can transcribe the entire audio or video file in a matter of minutes. You only need to click one button and everything will be taken care of for you. The best thing about it is that you can keep repeating this procedure and make money out of it. In fact, you can earn up to tens of thousands of dollars automatically. So the requirements to do this can be found right here. As you can see, you'll need a verified PayPal account. If you want to be paid through PayPal, of course. What I like best about this website is that they will give you a monthly $5 bonus every time you complete 3 hours worth. Although this may not seem much at first, it actually adds up quickly. So let's go to this website known as transcribemecom. Sign up for a free account and start making money. This is the second website where you can make money by transcribing. The first thing you should do is scroll down to the bottom of the page and select work. After that, you'll be directed to this page where you can apply for transcription jobs all over the world. Over here, you can even watch this video if you want to learn how this actually works, and you can get started and stuff. So, as you can see, you can make up to 60 cents per audio per minute, which is a pretty fantastic deal. The average monthly earnings are around $150, but if you use that secret tool, you can easily earn much more than $150. Also, top monthly earnings are around $1,000 to $200. Therefore, all we need to make money on this website is a computer and an internet connection. The best thing is that they pay on a weekly basis via PayPal. Again, the name of the website is gotranscriptcom. This website right here will be the next website where you can get paid for transcribing various video files. You have to click on the Jobs button, which will take you to the next page. This is where you can set up an account and begin earning money. This enables you to work from home remotely. Or you may also calculate your pay right here. So you'll be paid anywhere between $1 or up to $22 per audio an hour, which is pretty fantastic. And the top monthly earnings are around $200. Consider how much money you could make if you use this strategy. And the best part is, you won't have to do anything. Other people who work on these websites put in a lot of effort and spend hours upon hours transcribing audio files. But with this secret tool, you can make thousands of dollars over and over again in less than a minute each day. It's incredible. And the reason those guys are putting in so much effort is that because they are unaware of the secret tool that will be revealed later in this video. By the way, the name of this website is called transcribemecom. So for now, let's move on to the fourth website. Also, stay tuned for the video's highest paying website at the end. The name of the website is revcom. When you go to revcom, scroll down to the bottom and click on Freelancers. There are thousands of transcribing jobs waiting for you there. They even allow you to work as much or as little as you want, whenever you want, because revcom provides a very flexible work schedule. If you scroll down, you can see how much you can earn with this website. You'll be earning anywhere between 30 cents to $1 and 10 cents per audio per minute. This is insane! You don't have to do any work. You don't have to put a lot of time into this, and you can easily use the secret tool to make thousands of dollars on complete autopilot. Now, scroll down below and click on this button to create an account on revcom. So, I just showed you 4 websites where you can get paid by transcribing audio files. Before we get into the next one, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you aren't subscribed yet, and click the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video and to be the first ones to know a million more ways to make money online. Don't forget to smash that like button and leave your comments down below to show your support and tell us what you think. Let's get back to the main topic now. Anyway, I'll be revealing the secret tool so you may start making money automatically. After we sign up on all of these 4 websites, they'll give you transcribing jobs that you have to complete to earn money. So for example, taking a look at the Rev website, you'll be given an audio and a video file to transcribe right after you complete the registration. To use this free secret tool, get a transcribing job first and then go to this free secret tool. This is the secret tool, and this is how it appears. Now I want you to take a look at it right now when we click this button. The tool will analyze the audio and type the words into this box. So yeah, all we have to do is click this button and upload the audio file, and the tool will automatically transcribe it for us. This tool will type all of the words for you, and you can also use this button to upload your audio file. Every spoken word by the audio file is automatically transcribed into this tool. As you can see, I'm not even doing anything, and this is taking care of everything. Once again, all you have to do is to click record audio and play your audio or video file, and this tool will handle all the transcribing for you. Okay, as you can see, I transcribed the entire audio file, and it only took a few minutes for this tool to transcribe the entire audio file. Remember, you must complete one important task, which is to read this text and verify that the tool typed in the correct words. It's very easy to do, and anyone can do it. Simply read it aloud and see if the tool correctly typed in each word. Simply copy this text and paste it into that website. This tool is called Watson Speech to Text. Just go to speech-2-text-demo.ng.bluemix.net. Copy this text right now and then submit it to the website. Once you've completed that, they'll review your text file and pay you. As you can see, this is a very simple method and anyone can use it without any prior experience, skills, investment, or effort. This is the best method for you if you want to make a lot of money without having to do anything. With that being said, I'll now show you the highest paying website for transcribing audio files. This is the highest paying website, known as peopleperhour.com. If we search transcribe on people per hour, or just click writing and translation and click transcription, we can see some jobs that we can complete and earn hundreds of dollars from. This is an excellent website for making money transcribing because new jobs are added on a daily basis, meaning you can do it over and over again and these jobs pay a lot of money. This is the best website in paying you to transcribe various audio and video files. Sign up for free and start earning money right away. So that's how to get paid $500 for PayPal money just by clicking one button. Okay, that ends today's video. If you made it this far, remember that you will begin to make money if you decide to take action on it. Don't allow your emotions to control you. Get up and start doing what I showed you in this video. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to express your appreciation and support for this video. Also, hit that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell next to it so you'll be the first one to know whenever a new video is out on how to make extra money online using a variety of different methods. Big thanks to everyone who tuned in, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.